So I recently ordered some AutoTecknic competition shift paddles from I&D. They're basically longer billet aluminum shift paddles for my DCT steering wheel. And today the package came in. This was shipped in a little USPS box, and there's no branding on the actual box that holds the shift paddles. So let's open it up. Wrapped in bubble wrap. Let me put the box to the side. Let me grab a knife real fast. Wrapped in what looks like one of those Scotch shop towels that I have in my garage. Alright, here we go. So this is obviously the downshift paddle. They're really light, but they feel like they're really good quality. This is the upshift paddle. Obviously by the branding you can tell, down, up, obviously. You can't, I mean, I suppose you could put them on backwards to not have the, the gear up down identifier, but I mean, what's the point of that? But there's my little quick unboxing of my AutoTecknic competition shift paddles, but basically longer billet aluminum paddles. The stock ones I would give you an estimate size is basically the interior of this paddle, and I'll do a comparison once I install these. I hope you liked. Thanks. Bye.